So 3 divided by 242 is equal to 0.01239. It will round off to 4, and it has 4, 10 raised to power 4. I have to remove this, so I have taken a 4 jump. So pressure come out to be 124 Pascal. Now I have to take out the area related to brick. So area related to brick will be length into breadth. So length is 11 and breadth is 7. So length I have taken 11 and breadth is 7. 11 7 just 77. Same the way I have converted it here, divided by 100 divided by 100. Same 10 raised to power minus 4, 10 raised to power minus 4. Same has came because both are given in centimeter. That's why I have converted into a meter one. So area is 77, 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. Same, pressure is equal to force upon area. Force is 3, area is 77 into 10 raised to power 4. Right now I have converted into, it was downside, I have again converted into upside, so it will come out to be 10 raised to power 4. Because ये चीज़ डिनोमिनेटर में थी, ये न्यूमिनेटर में गई, तभी ये पॉजिटिव हो गया. सेम लास्ट वन के जैसे, वो जो नीचे था 10 raised to power minus 4, द मोमेंट इट गोज अप इट बिकम पॉजिटिव 1. दैट मैंने यहाँ डायरेक्ट लिख लिया into 10 raised to power 4. Now if we divide 3 with 77, it comes out to be 0.03896. Now 10 raised to power 4, 4 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So point will come here. So 389.6. 0 की कोई significance नहीं होती, इसलिए मैंने 0 नहीं लिखा. So 389.6 Pascal. Same goes answer. Pressure is equal to 124 Pascal. Pressure 2 is equal to 389.6 Pascal. So I have explained it in more in expanded form, in the way you will get to know how it will hit the answer. So we have calculated the pressure. Then they have compared the pressure and thrust. So pressure is thrust upon area and thrust is force which is at a particular direction, that is perpendicular. So thrust is a force which is at perpendicular, whereas pressure is equal to thrust upon area. SI unit is Pascal, whereas thrust is a force, the SI unit will be Newton. It depends upon the surface area, because less the surface area, more the pressure, more the surface area, less the pressure. Whereas thrust formula is force is equal to MA. It is not concerned with area, so it is independent. It do not concerned with an area. Force depend upon mass and acceleration. Then they have given some example related to your pressure. Like they have saying a pin, a nail, a drawing board have a point pointed. बहुत sharp edges होते हैं. Sharp edges means it is very small area. It has very small area. So it is having a very small area, means we have to have more pressure. It will create a more pressure, so it will skew your things very easily. Your pin can go inside the board. In your drawing board, it can easily pin up your pins. You can thumb pins you can use. Nails can go inside the wood easily, in the walls easily, by creating a more pressure over it. Same for drawing pins also, it will go inside the drawing pins. You have your needles, it will easy to stitch your clothes with that. So this has having very less surface area. Same for knife, scissors, axe is used to cut the trees. So the tools like scissor, knife and axes have sharp edges which exert more pressure. So they have sharp edges, so it will create a more pressure. So your tree will be cut easily. Your fruits can cut easily. Your things can be cut easily. Same, tips of swing needle machine is pointed and sharp to swing your cloth. For swing your clothes, the tips of the swing machine is pointed. The edge of the arrow is thin and sharp to enter the enemies. The bow and the arrow. So arrows are also having a thin, very pointed, sharp arrows. So it will create a more pressure, and it will create a wound over an enemy. And then they are having more area, less pressure. More area means like when I was talking about your back strips. It is having a more area, so it will create a less pressure over it. So taking the suppose the army tanks, the tires which we use in cars and bicycle, it is very broad. Have you seen your tires in your bicycles, in your cars? Bigger the vehicle, broader are the tires. Truck have more broader tires because they have to take that pressure. So they are having more than. Have you seen any vehicle having only one tires to carry it up? अगर मैं कार को एक vehicle एक ही टायर के साथ चलाने की कोशिश करूँगी, it will not work out because it will not balance it up. It will not able to take the pressure of the car. So to balance the pressure of the car, that's why we have four tires which are having a broad tires, so that can take the pressure of the car to reduce that pressure. That's why we are having a 4 tires. Same, to avoid the sinking of the building broad बनाई जाती है so that it cannot collapse easily. It can take the pressure of the many buildings. There are 33 floors, 54 floors. They are made broad so that they can take the pressure of each others. And in the sand, in the snow, you wear the shoes that have broad soles so that it could not go inside the snow. You will not able to stuck inside the sand or a snow. That's why you wear a broad shoes. Same goes, we have a broad railway track so that it can take the pressure of the train. If the railway tracks are made thinner, then it will not able to take the pressure of the trains. That's why they are made broad. I have given school bags having a broad strap so that pressure will be less. Same if we compare camel and horses, who can walk easily on the sand? Of course camel, because camel have a broad sole. They have broad foot, that's why they are easily able to move on the sand. Same, I have told the tires also. The tires are more so that it can take the pressure of the vehicle. So that is all concerned to pressure related to all solid. So solid, whenever talking about solid, we always say thrust upon area. Concerned with solid. Next topic is pressure exerted by a liquid. Now we have talked about the solid. Now it is related to liquid. When you are inside the water. When you are inside the water, the pressure is more inside the water when you are at the depth. So the more depth you are in, as you go down, the pressure increases. The more you go down inside the sea, inside the water, the pressure increases. So at the depth, the pressure is maximum. When you are at the depth very low, the pressure is maximum. That's why the people wear the scuba divers wear their dresses so that they don't create that pressure. They can able to breathe down. They don't get suffocated downside, or they don't get any breathing problem. That's why they carry their cylinder along with them. So the more you go inside the water depth, more is the pressure, because inside the water you get pressure from every side. From all the directions you get the pressure. So inside the water, the pressure is from all the sides. So they are saying to demonstrate the liquid exert pressure in all the direction. So the pressure is exerted by all the direction. They are saying first fill the balloon with water and tie the thread. So you have to fill the balloon with water and tie it down, and then put a pin, get a pin and try to pick it up. Create a hole over here. When you create a hole, the water will flow out from the hole, because you created a hole over here, so water will try to come out from that. So the water inside the balloon exert pressure in all direction, because wherever you put the hole, the water will start to come out. It means the pressure is created by from all the direction inside the water. So wherever you prick it up, wherever you put a hole, the water will start to come out. And if you have a liquid, like they have given an example, if you put a hole over A point, Q point and R point, the pressure will be maximum at the bottom. I told you the more you go down, the pressure will increase. So the pressure will be here maximum. That's why the water is splitting at a very far distance, because the pressure is maximum at the lower side. Minimum here, less here, and minimum here. Very less at the top, maximum at the downside. So your pressure will be great downside. That's why the water is flowing with very pressure and going outside. So greater the pressure at the downside. So at the sea level, your pressure will be maximum at down. So your pressure in the liquid depend upon density, acceleration due to gravity and height. Here I have density written with rho, RHO, rho. Density, you know, mass upon volume. Density means the thicker the liquid is. If I compare alcohol with water, thicker is alcohol. If I compare glycerine with water, of course glycerine is more dense. So density is mass upon volume, how much mass it has divided with volume. So density into acceleration due to gravity, you know acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second square. And height means which height you have. So you can write density with rho or with d, dgh or rho gh, meaning is the same. So this is also a pressure, that's why the unit will also be same, Pascal. Else I can take out the numerical or take out the unit from here also. So density is mass upon volume, mass is kg, volume is meter cube. So rho I have written kg per meter cube. Gravity I have told you meter per second square. So meter per second square, height is in meter. So 1 meter and 1 meter go with this. 1 meter will go this. So I can write like this, kg by m into m into m. 1 m will cancel out with this, 1 m cancel out with this. 1 m is left. So it will be kg, 1 meter is there, 1 meter and second square. So kg meter per second square, meter second square. So kg per meter second square. So it come out to be kg over meter second square. So kg meter second square or Pascal. We mainly use the unit Pascal only, but still if it is given like kg per meter second square, this is also correct because I have taken out from the numerical, from the formula. So pressure formula can be dgh or rho gh, meaning is the same. It's mean more the denser, more the pressure, more the height, more is the pressure. So जितनी ज़्यादा हाइट होगी उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर क्रिएट होगा, जितना ज़्यादा डेंस होगा उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर क्रिएट होगा. So here they have showing that the density. So they have taken one water and one mustard oil. So they have put that in a test tube and one balloon is being tied with it. So balloon is attached with the tube with the bulb attached to point P and Q. The pressure increases with increase in density of the plant. Like this is balloon, here you have put water and there we have put balloon. So more will have density, of course mustard oil, because mustard oil density is more, that's why pressure will be here more as compared to water. Same reason is that pressure does not depend upon the size or the shape of the container जिसके अंदर आपने पानी डाला है, that doesn't depend upon the pressure. Like you have seen the dams, the water is stored in the dams. As I have told you, as you go down the pressure increases, so pressure is maximum at the lower side. That's why they have created wall thick so that the dam can hold that pressure, utna pressure wo dam le sake, it do not break it out. That's why they have made the wall broader at downside and less broad at upside, so that the water that is stored in the water, it remains stored in the water, it do not cause any damage to the dam. That's why the walls at the broadest downside they have made broad. Why they have made it broad? So that it can take the pressure of the water at downside, because at downside the pressure is maximum. To take that pressure, that's why the wall of the dam at downside, it is very broad.